Welcome back to the continuing series of educational videos empowering you to use the Tradeworks algorithmic trading tools to your best financial advantage. In this video, we will look at advanced options which you will use to create strategies. If you haven't already, please review our Getting Started video and, very importantly, our Basic Money Management video. Tradeworks has given you money and risk management options, firstly to protect your account and secondly to modify your strategies to make them more profitable. For example, we want you to limit your time in losing trades, to manage your overall exposure, and to take your risk-reward ratio seriously. One way to apply advanced methods is to combine indicators with price action signals. For example, we can set up a signal where the high price of our strategy symbol has crossed an upper Bollinger Band, but we don't want to open a position in a situation like this, where many candles continue on an uptrend. So, we can filter this with another signal where we only enter a short position when the next candle closes lower than the previous candle's close. To further confirm, we add the condition that the main line of the indicator stochastic oscillator must be less than the signal line. This will confirm that price might be reversing from an overbought situation. Of course, as you add more expressions, you should continually backtest to confirm that your filters are helping your strategy. Another option is to monitor a different pair than your strategy symbol using a pair of the same quote or base currency, for example. As an example, we may not want to buy the strategy symbol euro-dollar unless dollar Swiss is in a downtrend. A simple way to do this is to create another filter where the SMA 20 on dollar Swiss is less than the SMA 20 from two previous candles ago. Simply choose Indicator and select Indicator. Now we use dollar Swiss instead of strategy symbol, and set up our moving average comparison to confirm the trend. As well, comparing different time frames is quite simple within the Tradeworks interface. Let's say that we had a buy signal which includes the current price of our strategy symbol showing higher than the parabolic SAR. We may want to monitor the same indicator on a lower or higher time frame to confirm a genuine reversal. Again, simply choose Indicator and Create Indicator and Parabolic SAR, but set the time frame to something different from your main strategy. This signal can then be set to filter and confirm your current signal. One more way in which you can modify your signals for more accuracy is to combine expressions with and, or, before, or after, as many confirming signals may not occur simultaneously. In closing, whether you are using simple or advanced strategies, there is no perfect strategy that will consistently follow changing markets. When you have one or several strategies running on live accounts, you must monitor their progress and statistics, and to continue experimenting and modifying on demo accounts in anticipation of changing markets. Please keep in mind that Tradeworks is providing these tools for your benefit but does not offer trading advice. We highly recommend that you review the financial disclaimer published by your broker, as not all investment strategies may be suitable for all investors. Thanks for watching. We will be back with more soon.